one more thing is sa economy nga natin, di ba, because of them, nagkakaroon ng job opportunity dito sa Pilipinas. And aside from the wages that is offered to the countries or to the host countries, is also the taxes that they are paying to the government. Hello everyone, welcome back again to my channel. By the way, for those who are new here, I am Mentor Joba, a political science instructor, and also teaching some of the general education subjects like readings in Philippine history, the contemporary world, life and works of Jose Rizal, and others like ethics. If you are new here, please like this video today and subscribe to my YouTube channel in order for you to get updated on my new uploads every week. Without further ado, let's start. So for today's topic, we are going to discuss about the importance of globalization to a country's economy or to economy itself. And by the way, I have also a discussion about the reason why we are learning globalization or the importance of learning the word globalization. So I have here, you can check it here. On our everyday activity or everyday life, we always encounter things na hindi natin alam kung bakit ito nangyayari or paano ba nangyari. However, we forget to realize that these things happens because of globalization or because of modernization. So sa topic natin ngayon, we are going to focus on the impact or the importance of globalization to economy. And by the way, I have already a discussion about a global economy. So makikita nyo dito or gusto nyong panoorin, you can just look into that thumbnail. So yan, so ano nga ba ang importance ng globalization sa economy? Okay, so palagi kong nababanggit ito sa almost all my discussion, and if you are going to review or watch all my discussion about globalization, palaging nababanggit itong globalization to economy. Kung mapapansin natin, maraming mga bagay, let's say for example, yung mga nabibili natin na hindi naman produkto ng ating country, hindi naman produkto ng Pilipinas, pero andito sa Pilipinas, hindi natin alam na that is one of the uh, outcome of globalization. Let's say for example, buying a cell phone, yung mga Samsung, yung ibang mga teknolohiya, let's say for example, yung transportation vehicles, na hindi naman napaprocess dito sa Pilipinas, but we have here nabibili natin or may mga companies sila dito sa atin. So that is one of the importance of globalization to economy. So the advancement of science and technology reduces the cost of transportation and communication, making economic globalization possible. So aside from what I mentioned earlier, so yan ang isang importance din ng economic globalization or globalization to economy. So the advancement of the materials or the technology will will lessen the cost of these things, transportation and communication. Let's say for example, if you're going to compare the shipping cost in year 1930 at present, makikita na natin na mas mahal ang shipping nila in 1930 compared today or at present. That is because of globalization. So mas dumami ang shipping industries. Mas maraming mga na-produce or na-manufactured na ship. Kaya mas lumesen na din yung cost of shipping. Another example is the telecommunication. So kung noon, mas mahal ang binabayaran mo when you're going to send an information to someone and you still need to wait for a few months or days before your letter or your letter will reach that person that you're going to contact. Magbabayad ka pa ng shipping fee niya dahil nga 'di ba, mahal. But if we're going to compare it today, hindi mo na kailangang mag-antay ng ilang days because you can just call or contact any person or any relatives who is far from you in a bit or in a minute. So at a single click of your finger, na-contact mo na siya. And you don't need to pay for shipping fee in order for you to send your letter. Okay, so that is one of the importance of globalization to economy. Another, and just to emphasize the one that I have mentioned on the first part of this tutorial, is the presence of multinational and transnational companies, or we call them as international companies. And if you wanted to know more about them, I have also a discussion. Ito yung discussion ko about multinational and transnational corporation. So, due to globalization, nagkaroon tayo ng mga ganyang companies. May mga multinational companies and transnational companies tayo that help us to improve our economy. Let's say, for example, McDonald's, Jollibee, and others. Okay? So dahil doon, dahil sa mga ganyan na international corporations, nagkakaroon tayo ng income dito sa ating bansa and other parts of the world na meron ding mga ganyan, may mga franchise din doon. So imagine, without those international corporations, example, the Jollibee and McDonald's, wala na tayong idea kung paano ba ang McDonald's, how the dressed chicken is processed, or paano ba ang taste ng McDonald's fried chicken and fried chicken ng Jollibee. And one more thing is sa economy nga natin, di ba, because of them, nagkakaroon ng job opportunity dito sa Pilipinas. And aside from the wages that is offered to the countries or to the host countries, is also the taxes that they are paying to the government. Okay? Imagine na lang natin kung maraming mga international corporations na mag-i-invest dito sa Pilipinas. It might improve our economy just like what other countries is doing. Sa Vietnam and other parts of Asia, ayan yung dahilan. Itong mga international corporations ang isang dahilan kung bakit lumalago sila or bakit mas mayaman pa sila sa atin. Okay? So they invest more on foreign investors, or they are inviting foreign investors to invest to their country. Kaya yung mayaman sila. Okay, so that's all for now. And if you want me to discuss more about the impact or importance of globalization to economy, you can just write it down on the comment section. And if you want to discuss more things related to your subject or any of your subjects related to social sciences, you can also write it down. And if you are new to my channel, please don't forget to like this video today and subscribe to my YouTube channel in order for you to get updated on my latest upload. And also, please don't forget to hit the bell button below para maging updated kayo sa mga bago kong upload every week. Alright, so goodbye everyone!